I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Now search for action SendPulse. Give a name. For client ID and client secret, please click here. Copy client ID and secret and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use it. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to SendPulse dashboard. Click on Mailing List Account. Now click on My Emails. You can see record created in Mailing Lists module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.